Kaya lang ayaw niya ako. Pag 75 sila, kaso wala dito.
Yeah, this is in front of our house.
Lisensyado? Bukas ko kaya ni Bukas yan, bayad na naman yun.
Yeah.
Galing ako kasi pag malalaking bagay, kailangan yung license.
Mga siguro kasi nasira ano parang deficit. Hindi na pala ako.
Yan.
Okay
na. Teka, ayan. Yan. This is sa loob na lang. Oh, dali, dala lang. Dala.
This is in front of our house.
Yeah, this is our living room. We're now entering the living room. Matekay na ako muna yung ano.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng
Ay, na ako muna yung TV.
Premier Coffee Day.
Yan. The TV and the component. This is the living room. Yan. See, we have the big TV, but the component is broken. Did not, you know?
Functioning.
It's not functioning right now. Yan. This is our ref. Very small compared to your refrigerator. This is our dirty kitchen.
It's so dirty.
Very dirty. This is where the pans are being kept. Iwan, this is our pans and casseroles. The sink. Yan. The tools of our father. Yan, there it is.
Want this, Iwan? Want hammer? This is where... Sorry.
This is where the tools are kept.
Marumi, makalat. Min, marumi, makalat.
Buksan mo ilaw dun. Yan, our comfort room. Very small. The washing machine.
Wala pa rin nakapalit.
The dining room. The dining room and the living room
All in one.
are all in one. Right there. Now we are entering to our room. This is what you call the broom. This is our room. The double deck bed. Yan. This is our room. The bed below is the bed that we shared. I shared. And the bed above is Ryan's bed. And this is Ryan's closet. And this is our computer. Ryan's things in school. And this is the closet of Emily and me. This is our closet we shared. This is the butt. Now, we are entering the room of my mom and my dad. Makalat. Ma, buksan mo ilaw. Madilim. Yan. They got the TV that didn't work also. Yan.
So small.
So small. So yeah. This is what you call the banig here in the Philippines. They don't have any bed. They just make latag. This is their closet. The very old closet. Back way the Nara made in Nara they got it 1950s.
From my mother. Galing pa sa lola.
Yeah, this is our altar.
Mga keme-keme.
7 minutes. Yeah. That's it. That's our house. Very small. We don't have any divider. We just made this old closet a divider to our dining room and my mom's room. Yeah, this is it. That's our broken ceiling. See?
Road warning sign. Danger. East. Phase 1. The excavation. East phase 80. Correct.